Hello friends, now myself is Rajendra, trainer for SQL Server and SQL Server DBA along with MSBI from IQ Online. Today, let me give you a short introduction to what is SQL Server. What is SQL Server? Now this is for SQL Server, a introduction for SQL Server developer, as well as we can go for SQL Server DBA course. So what is SQL Server? We all know the need for the database. We all know the need for storing the business level information. For example, you can take a bank or you can take any product oriented company. We know the need for the secure data storage. We need to understand the need for the concurrency control. Means there are lakhs and crores of connections, thousands and lakhs of users connecting at the same time in a specific database for their day-to-day operations. So here comes a technical term called a database. Here comes a technical term called database. And from database we got DB management software. DB management software. So we got a set of software instructions to manage and maintain this database, and we call it as database management system. So one such application software which is used to manage and maintain, secure and work with the database is SQL Server. So what is SQL Server? I repeat, SQL Server is a database management system application software from Microsoft. Remember, SQL Server is not a language. It is an application software. A vast software, believe me, it's big, very, very vast. Now why we are going for SQL Server? There are some advantages for this. Microsoft provides free technical support. Microsoft provides free technical support. You will get free updates. Here update means patches and service packs. SQL Server is easy to use. And as compared to other RDBMS like Oracle or Sybase, cheaper licensing cost. Cheaper licensing cost. Oracle is very vast and master in the database technology, but nowadays people are going towards SQL Server because SQL Server is easy to use. Give you new features, cool new features. So these are the advantages we are going for SQL Server. Now, as a developer, or if you are going as a database administrator, what will be the core structure? What will be the core structure? To be efficient with SQL Server, we need to understand SQL Server installation, and once installation complete, we will see the verification. Verification of SQL Server. We will see different types of connectivity, database design, and table design, DDLN, DML queries, work with the table constraints, views, procedures, functions, triggers. We will discuss concept about cursors, transactions, locking and isolation levels. Now this part of the course is important for SQL Server developer. If you are going for SQL Server developer, this part is sufficient. And if you want to go for SQL Server database administrator, before we start with the administration, we must understood these concepts. These are mandatory concepts. Before we go for SQL Server DBA, these are mandatory concepts. Once we complete this, then we can go for recovery models, backups, we will go for restores, replication techniques, different replication techniques, log shipping, database mirroring, security concepts, performance tuning, database mail, SQL Server clustering, etc. So in order to work with the database, or as if you want to go with a database administrator, this part is a mandatory. Once we complete this part, then we go for the DBA concepts. I brief some of the topics like recovery models, backups, restores, replications, log shipping, database mirroring, security, performance tuning, etc. Apart from this, we'll see some more concepts as well. So this is the course structure. Now, from my side, we will go with 100% practical. This course is 100% practical. Whatever the notes and drawings I will do, whatever I will write in the notepad or do any type of drawing in paintbrush, I will send these notes and drawing via email. Whatever we are going to discuss, I will going to record the session and hand over to you the recording as well. The main advantage why I am providing the recording of this live class, so that You can, if you miss any particular point, you can go through the same point again any number of times. So recording will be helpful for your future purpose. So the course is 100% practical. I will send you all the notes and drawings, whatever we are going to do, by email. And at the end of every class, I will provide you the recording so that you can replay the same recording at your end. So this is from my side. So just a brief introduction to the course SQL Server Developer or SQL Server DBA. Thank you.